Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to unblock contact or phone number on your iPhone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is first go over here, tap on the settings. Now go over here in the search for phone app. Tap on the phone app. Now from here scroll down and navigate to blocked contacts. Now from here tap on the edit. And from here, if you wanted to remove it, you have to tap on the minus icon, the red icon over here, and just go for unblock it. Similarly, if you want to do this, you can also do the same. You can just unblock it from here, tap on this one, and you can unblock it. And that's what you have to do, and go for the done. And also you can see we have numbers. This is some of the numbers. You can also do the same. Just go over here. These are not saved, but even what you need, just go over here, tap on this one, and you can go to unblock it. And this is how we can do for both the saved contacts and not saved contacts, and how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.